Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here to do my hair. It's really dry right now. I actually haven't done it the last time I did the video on purpose because I wanted to show you guys how dry my hair looks now and then how it will look when it's done. Moisturizing. So that's what we're doing. So stay tuned. Here we go. So I will be using the Natural leave-in conditioner right here. You can get these online and I really like this leave-in conditioner, and they just came out with a moisturizer. I was like, finally, someone that comes out with just a moisturizer, not a conditioner or anything like that. So I will be definitely getting that soon. And also I will be using my sealant. I actually made this oil, so I will make another video to show you guys actually how to make this oil yourself. And then also, just to wet my hair to get it all loose, I have aloe vera juice right here. See how it's foamy? Yep, so I'm gonna use that, just pure aloe vera juice. And then of course, I have my tools. I talked about this in my last video. If you didn't catch that, I'll put a link in the description. But I have my white tooth comb, and I have my brush. And then of course, have my clips. I talked about sections. So of course, we're gonna do one section at a time. I like to do the smallest section first, just to get it out of the way. I first start off with this small section right here. I really don't need a comb because I'm just detangling it right now. I really work it in. Aloe vera juice is awesome because it's nothing but good, really. It hydrates, it conditions, it soothes, it does a lot of stuff. I want to comb it out after I put in my oil. So I'm first gonna put on this moisturizer. I guess really the only downside of aloe vera juice, because it's nothing's a perfect product, especially not for everybody. But aloe vera juice to me doesn't smell the best, but hey, it works on my hair, so we're gonna roll with it. So I just add just a little squirt of oil, depending on your hair, because sometimes you need a lot of oil for that. Make sure to really get the ends, and then combing it out, tip to root. Once one section in your hand is combed out, then you can move on to the next section. And now we're just going to twist it because we're just not going to be done with this. We're going to make a cute bun twist hairstyle. Now I'm just separating it with my fingers. And if you need to loosen it up, just use that juice. Okay, now I'm just rubbing my hair with the aloe vera juice, separating my hair into two sections, spraying with more aloe vera juice, rubbing it in, adding the Natural leave-in conditioner, and my oil. Gotta love it! Small sections. I really make sure that those ends are really combed through. Make sure to really get to that root. Okay, we have one section done. Yay! Alright, once you're done with the first section, you want to go ahead and comb it out, twist it up, and clip it into place. The next section should be very dry, so you want to spray it with that aloe vera juice along with the moisturizer, or in this case, deep conditioner, along with that sealant. Just a little bit will do. And again, I'm separating that one section into smaller sections. And you want to clip that out of the way so you can focus on that smaller section. And again, you want to go ends to root. Again, once that section is done, you want to twist it up, clip it out of the way, and move on to the next section. I always like to go from back to front or from bottom to top section just so I have that bottom out of the way. One more. That's so silly. So once you are done with that last section, you want to fluff out that hair. You want to love it. And once you're done loving your hair, you want to have a deep side part on either side, your preference. And you want to make sure that your part is very clean, as so. Now what I'm doing, I am parting my hair down one side, and I'm just going to twist that and clip it out of the way. And then the same side, I'm going to follow that line that I did before on the other side, making sure it's in alignment with the line that we did on the other side. Now I know this isn't the straightest part, but I think you guys get the point. Now once you have this clipped out of the way, you're going to prepare yourself because this is going to take a lot of work because it's a lot of hair. So I'm going to be putting my hair in a high ponytail with a brush with soft bristles and a scrunchie. I was going to put my hair in a hair tie, but my hair was not having it because my hair was too big for the hair tie. So I'm going to be using 2 twists, and the rubber band I was showing you, it was going to go on the ends of my hair, but I ended up not using them, but you can definitely use them if needed. So I'm actually doing these twists a little unique. So before I twist, I comb it out, and then I start with very loose twists at the base of the twist, and then as I go down, I go tighter and tighter, and this is how it looks. But we're not done, so you need 2 clips. So I take one twist and I wrap it around the base. I take the next twist and I wrap it around the opposite way or the same way, depending on what you like. Okay, so look at this. These kitchens back here, no, we can't have that hanging out. So what I'm going to be doing is pulling the hair up, twisting it, and then pinning that into place. Okay, so now we're going to work on this big section right here. So we're going to squirt some oil in our hands, and then once that is applied to the hair, we're going to do a flat twist by taking one small of that section, and as I go under, I grab that hair, pull it forward, make a clean section, go under and grab, and I continue. Go under and grab, pull forward and twist. It takes some time to get used to, but once you got it down, you're gonna look flat. Trust me. So at the end of that twist, instead of wrapping it around my finger, I actually spring it into my hands, or ball it up if you will, and it just sticks just like that. So we're going to be doing the same flat twist on the other side. And when you get down to that twist, we're going to spring it up or ball it, and as it curls. You can bring both of them back to the bun. You can bring one back and just leave the other hanging. It's up to you. So I'm going to actually pin this one back under the bun. And this twist, I'm going to roll up and pin this beautiful curl on the side. Doesn't that look cute? And this is the finished product. So that's it, everybody. So that was my moisturizer routine that I do if I'm going out the door, if I'm going out to an event or somewhere fun, or just to the store, just to have my hair together. So I hope you like this tutorial. And again, we use the Alevera juice, the Natural Deep Conditioner, and my oil. Again, another video, I'll teach you how to make this oil. But I hope you enjoyed that. That was fun doing it with y'all. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.